Hey guys, it's Isabel and Cece from the Owl Masters, and today we're going to be making buckout cookies. And buckout cookies is from the official Vault Dweller cookbook.
Yep.
And we're going to follow these directions. It's restricted for anybody who's not a Vault Dweller.
And I'm a Vault Dweller. That's who. Okay, let's see. Aha! I think we're ready to start, but I think we're missing something.
I think we need some help.
I've got it! Good morning, Codsworth.
Good morning to you, miss.
Now that we have help, I think we're ready to start.
Yep. So ready.
Okay, so first step, in a medium bowl, combine the butter and confectioner's sugar. So let's add the butter. It's solidified. Let's go get a spoon.
Wrong time, Mr. Handy.
Sheesh. It's still very still very melted. And now time for the confectioner's sugar. And mix. Okay, now we have to put in the vanilla extract and the almond extract. Mr. Handy, is it a half a teaspoon?
That should just about do it.
Okay. And pour it in. Oh, it's clear. I didn't know almond extract was clear. Okay. And now it's time to stir in the remaining ingredients, which is almond flour and normal flour.
Cogsworth, did you enjoy it on the surface?
Those were the days.
Isabel, are you almost done stirring?
I'm almost done.
I don't believe you. I expect we'll be here for hours.
Isabel, did you forget anything?
Yeah, I forgot. We need to get the matcha and the nutmeg. Ooh, this has a cool pull tab. Ooh. That looks cool. Okay, 1 tablespoon of matcha powder.
Sweet.
let's see, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Mr. Handy, does this look right to you?
I'm not programmed for visual evaluation.
Well, you're not that much help.
Now we're going to use a tablespoon to scoop up the dough, take it out of the tablespoon, to roll it into a tiny little bowl, and then smash it and indent a cross on it. So let's get to it. Okay, hold that, and then I'm going to show you. Roll it, and then put it onto the parchment paper and gently smash it. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and then with the back of the knife.
Cups.
Start grabbing giant chunks. Okay. Okay. Now it's time to put these in the refrigerator to rest for 1 hour.
Cuthbert, you know what to do.
I'll be sure to tidy up while you're away, madam.
Well, that went well.
How are you feeling, Mr. Handy?
A fresh coat of paint is just what you need.
Well, let's get baking. How many Brotherhood of Steel soldiers does it take to screw in a light bulb?
How many?
None. They just hoard the technology.
I have one. Why did the glue cross the glue? I didn't even turn into a goulash.
Huh?
So now we're going to take these off and put them on this tray because they cannot cook on a cooling rack. So
While we're doing this, I just have some jars. Why did that get cracked? I then it turned to a rubber duck. Why did the fallout?
and there we go.
How many fallout does it take to get away? The fall. Ta-da.
I want to eat that one. And now we have to let them cool. Now we get to try them. Okay, pick one cookie. I don't know what it tastes like. It tastes not bad, but different. Bye.
Remember.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button.
Bye.